2025 Maserati MC20 is a masterpiece of Italian engineering and design, blending luxury, performance, and innovation into an extraordinary supercar experience. Its sculpted body is a work of art, featuring sleek lines and aerodynamic curves that exude elegance and speed. Every detail is meticulously crafted, from the bold Maserati Trident emblem on the grille to the butterfly doors that add both drama and functionality. Beneath the stunning exterior lies a mid-mounted 3.0-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine, dubbed the Nettuno, which generates a staggering 621 horsepower and 538 lb-ft of torque. This engineering marvel propels the MC20 from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.8 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 200 mph. The advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, delivering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and precise. The MC20's carbon fiber monocoque chassis not only enhances its structural rigidity, but also keeps the car exceptionally lightweight, improving both performance and handling. Its adaptive suspension system and meticulously tuned aerodynamics ensure razor-sharp agility, whether you're carving through mountain roads or taking it to the track. Inside, the MC20 is a haven of modern luxury and technology, combining premium materials like leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber with cutting-edge digital interfaces. The minimalist yet driver-focused cabin features a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and an equally sized infotainment display, seamlessly integrated to provide intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and performance data. Maserati has equipped the MC20 with an array of innovative technologies, including a state-of-the-art Maserati Connect system for remote monitoring and control, as well as advanced driver assistance features for enhanced safety. The bespoke Sonus Faber audio system offers an unparalleled sound experience, transforming the cockpit into a concert hall on wheels. Comfort is not sacrificed for performance, as the seats are ergonomically designed to provide support during spirited driving while ensuring long-distance comfort. The MC20 also offers generous customization options, allowing owners to personalize everything from the exterior paint to the interior finishes. What truly sets the 2025 Maserati MC20 apart is its ability to harmonize raw performance with refined luxury, a feat few competitors can achieve. This supercar is not just a testament to Maserati's racing heritage, but also a bold statement of its future, making it a standout choice for those seeking unmatched style, innovation, and driving pleasure